Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green chilies at home. Starting your chili journey indoors is key, especially in cooler climates. Sow your seeds about 8 to 12 weeks before the last frost, planting them 1/4 inch deep in quality seed starting mix. Keep the soil consistently warm, ideally between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, to encourage germination. Ensure your seedlings receive ample light, at least 6 hours daily, supplementing with grow lights if needed for strong, healthy starts. Once the danger of frost has passed and soil temperatures are warm, it's time to move your chilies outside. First, harden off your seedlings for about 7 to 10 days. Select a sunny spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily with well-draining soil. Plant them 18 to 24 inches apart. Water consistently, providing 1 to 2 inches of water weekly. Start with a balanced fertilizer, then transition to a phosphorus and potassium-rich formula as fruits begin to set. As your chili plants mature, they will benefit from some ongoing care. Use stakes or cages to support the growing plants, especially when they are laden with fruit. Apply a layer of mulch around the base to help retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests, such as aphids or spider mites, and treat them quickly. If temperatures drop unexpectedly, protect your plants with row covers. Pruning lower leaves also helps air circulation. The most rewarding part is harvesting your homegrown green chilies. Pick them when they are firm, have a glossy appearance, and have reached the size you prefer. Use sharp shears or a knife to cut the stem, leaving a small piece attached to the chili. Harvesting regularly will encourage your plant to produce even more fruit. Store your fresh green chilies in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Now, enjoy the delicious, fresh flavor and gentle heat of your very own homegrown chilies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.